Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best plastic coating is probably one of the most transformative detailing products on the market, promising a hydrophobic shield that dramatically alters the look, feel, and longevity of your vehicle's plastic trim, offering superior protection against UV damage, scratches, and discoloration while simultaneously enhancing its gloss and depth, making it a worthwhile investment for any car enthusiast seeking to elevate their vehicle's aesthetic appeal and resilience. Number 5. Cerakote Plastic Restorer. Say goodbye to faded trim. This easy-to-use restorer will renew and protect your vehicle's interior and exterior surfaces for months. Tired of temporary fixes? It will give you a long-lasting finish that won't fade or streak after just a few days. Unlike other products, it repels water, so your vehicle will look great even after a downpour. Enjoy lasting results, rain or shine. This product dries completely to the touch, leaving no oily residue. It won't ruin your detailing towels or leave a greasy finish. We use the latest advancements in science and the best equipment to create consistently high-quality products. Plus, it's made in the USA. Our team is dedicated to customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, we'll do everything we can to help. What we like. If you're tired of temporary fixes, this product offers lasting results for several months. It's also water repellent, so rain won't ruin your hard work. If you want a dry-to-the-touch finish without oily residue, this is the one for you. What people say. My tonneau cover looks as good as new, actually slightly better. I also used car dyes on all the black plastic, mirrors, bumpers, etc. on the exterior of my truck and the results are fantastic. The product is easy to use, apply with the supplied applicator, wait 10 to 30 minutes, wipe with soft cloth and smile at the results. Car dyes leaves no sticky residue, it just leaves the surface feeling smooth and clean. Wow! This stuff really works. We have the cutest 2006 convertible Mini Cooper and this brought back the shine and luster of all the plastic components of the car. All the trim around the wheel wells, the mirrors and along the bottom of the doors. Car truly looks brand new. Super easy to apply and polish. Stayed put for several months so far. Trim looked new. Far exceeded any other product I've used. Parked it in the sun at my ranch in NM Mountains for 24 days and no fading or change in the appearance of the plastic and rubber, it all still looked brand new. Number 4. Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Is your car's plastic trim looking dull and faded? It's time for a change. This kit will restore your trim to its original glory. Unlike other products, this ceramic coating bonds to your trim, lasting through 200 washes or more. Enjoy that showroom shine for months to come. Simply clean your trim, let it dry, and use the included wipes. It's that easy. You'll get a like-new finish in under 30 minutes. It doesn't just clean, it protects. This ceramic coating cures to your trim, restoring its color and shielding it from harmful UV rays. This isn't just another trim dressing. It's a scientifically formulated ceramic coating, developed and manufactured by Cerakote, a leader in ceramic technology. Trust the science for lasting results. Cerakote is a world leader in ceramic coatings, trusted by aerospace, automotive, and technology companies worldwide. Get the same quality for your vehicle's trim. What we like. This ceramic coating lasts through 200+ washes, maintaining that showroom shine. It's quick and easy to apply with saturated wipes. If you're looking for long-lasting protection and a simple application process, this is the product for you. What people say. The product comes in the form of about 4 by 4 inch square wipes, 10 wipes individually packaged. When I looked at the first one I was disappointed, assuming that the little wipe couldn't possibly cover very many square inches of black plastic. Well, I was wrong. The first wipe completely brought a 3-inch wide well trim back to life, then did 4 black plastic decorative inserts covering about half of one of my truck's running boards, then made a start on the next well. Somehow the magic ingredient in the wipes magically transforms dull black plastic trim to deep black. And somehow it works even when the plastic has white areas from previous waxing. It's only been on for a few days but it hasn't faded at all and looks like it should hold up well. Super easy to put on, just make sure you wear gloves as the product really hardens up and have a microfiber rag to wipe down after. Absolutely as advertised. Watch the instructional video and follow instructions for great results. Make sure surface prep is clean and dry. Initial application worked great, dried shiny. Cured evenly. Dramatic change. Guaranteed for 200 washes. Number 3. FOLLOWIN Plastic and Trim Restore. Unlike other products that offer only a temporary shine, this restorer uses a German formula to remove oxidation and bond with your car's plastic trim. It creates a ceramic coating, giving your vehicle a showroom look that lasts. This highly concentrated formula is incredibly long-lasting. A small amount provides 6 months of protection, and the bottle will last for 3 years. Rain won't wash it away. It's streak-free, so you won't have any residue after washing. It dries quickly to the touch, while still providing a high shine and preventing cracking and fading. Application is easy. Just pour a few drops onto the applicator, spread evenly, and wipe off the excess. A little goes a long way. It can be used on bumpers, mirror housings, door handles, vinyl rooftops, and interior trim, as long as it's plastic. Make sure the surface is clean and dry before applying. With proper application, it nourishes the plastic and can last for more than 6 months, depending on weather conditions. Enjoy a long-lasting, showroom shine. What we like. It's a highly concentrated ceramic coating that lasts for 6 months per treatment. It's also rainproof and non-greasy, leaving no streaks. If you need a long-lasting, streak-free solution that withstands the elements, this is a great choice. What people say. After 24 hours, it was completely dry and smooth to the touch. Great. No indication of fading after 2 months, looks the same as the day I put it on. Also great. Absolute fantastic product. Have tried dozens of other products that only last until you wash your car. This product makes your plastic look like brand new and stay that way after numerous rain, storms and car washes. My door handles were very, very gray from some damage. Now they look like they did when I bought my truck. This product comes in a small bottle, but I was able to do the fender flares front plastic moldings on my truck as well as both mirrors. Restored them from a dull gray color to bold black. It has rained multiple times since I applied it and still looks great. Amazing stuff. Number 2. Chemical Guys HydroShield. It's an easy-to-use sprayable ceramic coating. This will protect and restore that deep black look with enhanced shine on vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces against harmful weather conditions and extreme heat. It offers superior water beading for all-weather defense against rain, sprinklers, and puddles. It simplifies maintenance by aiding in contaminant removal on non-painted plastic trim. It bonds strongly and finishes dry to the touch. Applied correctly, it won't sling, and it will keep that new look on tires and black exterior plastics for up to 12 months. Chemical Guys is a leading brand in car care, driven by a passion for shine. This product is proudly made in the USA. Car lovers choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products, world-class customer support, and vast detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This sprayable ceramic coating offers ultimate protection and a deep black shine that lasts up to 12 months. It provides superior water beading and easy contaminant removal. If you want superior protection and a long-lasting shine, this is the best option. What people say. Use this product to shine up the weathered vinyl surround on our 5-year-old hot tub. Now it looks nearly new. This product gets the job done effortlessly. I also use it on the interior, where it delivers a superior clean and shine that lasts far longer than anything I've used before. It's a semi-gloss formula, and does a surprisingly good job for dressing tires and restoring trim to a like-new, dark, low-luster black finish. It's not greasy, and resists rain and the elements fairly well without washing off or fading again. Number 1. GYEON Trim EVO. It's not just protection, it instantly enhances the color of your old and faded trim, making it look new again. See the difference for yourself. This product is incredibly versatile. You can use it on bumpers, window trim, side moldings, even the engine bay plastic. It works on many surfaces. It's a pure SiO2 ceramic coating, so it bonds strongly with the trim, providing a thick layer of long-lasting protection without any oily residue. UV rays and harsh chemicals can fade your trim. This product restores the deep black color and keeps it looking great for a long time. Did you know? It can also be used on your headlights. Apply it to new headlights for protection or to recently restored ones to prevent oxidation. What we like. This product not only protects but also enhances the color of your faded trim. It's highly versatile and can be used on various plastic surfaces. If you want a true ceramic coating that restores and protects, this is the one for you. What people say. Turned my new vehicle trim from almost new looking to permanently new looking even after car washes. It previously always looked dirty or slightly faded even though the car was a couple months old. This stuff works amazingly, takes a long time to install if you're doing an SUV, but it is a total game changer once completed. It made my CR-V trim look better than when new. I treated all the trim and under the hood, inside door jambs. Unreal. Used on my new car black exterior plastic trim. Actually made it look darker and richer. Water beaded on it. Used on trim around side view, back bumper and lower grille. Simply incredible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.